Hello dear student, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Mani sir, and today we are going to revise the Iron Age civilization part 1. Dear student, the Bronze Age civilization had flourished in the eastern part of the world as the western world was far less advanced at that time. Around 1200 BC, the Iron Age followed the Bronze Age. So here, Iron Age was from 2500 BC to 800 BC. Dear student, the discovery of iron led to manufacturing of stronger tools like sickle, shovel, spade, axe, saw, and nails. They help in variety of occupation. For example, the axe help in the clearing jungle which leads to a large scale cultivation. See in this picture, the people making of tools iron age. Okay. They had development of the knowledge and art and crafts also. So barter system was replaced by use of currency in this age. Okay. Now, dear student, these are the picture of tools that made through the iron. So that is why this age was known as the Iron Age civilization. So here, the greatest achievement of the Iron Age was in the field of literature. Great poems, dramas, grammar, and history were written. Okay, so the remains of some ancient civilization during Iron Age have been found in many parts of the world like Greece, Rome, and Iran. The development of Iran helped them to flourish. So, see this ancient Greek civilization. In the Greek civilization, they worshipped many gods and goddesses. Supreme god was Zeus. Agriculture, shipbuilding, trading, sculpting, pottery, these are the occupation in Greek civilization. Calculated the circumference of the earth, drew maps of the world, Olympic games are the invention in Greek civilization. So, next civilization is the Roman civilization. Dear student, in Roman civilization, they worship goddess Vesta, Venus, and the gods Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, and Juno. Agriculture, trading, fighting, these were the occupation in Roman civilization. Concrete, water system, roads, Latin names of months, Roman laws, these were the invention in Roman civilization. Okay? Now, Iranian civilization. Dear student, in Iranian civilization, they worship the gods like Indra, Vayu, Mitra, fire, and Zoroastrianism. Trading, shipbuilding, crafts, silk weaving, pottery, metalwork, gem cutting, these were the occupation in Iranian civilization. Invention were Aramaic script, decorations of the palaces with gold, silver, precious stones, ebony and ivory. These were the invention of Iranian civilization. So dear student, these were three civilizations: Greek civilization, Roman civilization, and Iranian civilization. Now that, the Vedic civilization. The word Veda or Rig means knowledge. The knowledge contained in Vedas is for the whole mankind. Because of the term Veda, this period of Indian history is called the Vedic period, as Vedas are the main source of information about this period. So, there are four Vedas: Rigved, Samaved, Yajurved, and Atharvaved. Dear student, the Vedic period can be divided into early Vedic period, later Vedic period, The early Vedic period is also referred as the Rig Vedic period, as the Rig Veda provides us information about this period. The rest of the Vedic literature, Yajurved, Samved, Atharvaved, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads, provide information about the later Vedic period. So, this period is also known as Epic Age. Okay? Now, the political organization or the political condition of Vedic civilization. Rigved means rajas who were different from the later Vedic kings. They neither had a capital, cities, palaces, armies, nor they collected taxes from the people. But in the later Vedic period, there were number of small and big kingdoms where kingship was hereditary. So, the king of a small kingdom was Raja, means Rajan. So, a Samrat or Maharaja controlled a large kingdom known as Rashtra, and the king was assisted by Purohit, Mantri, Senani, and Gramini. And Gramini was the headman of the village. The king consulted Sabha and Samiti on all important matters. Dear student, the Sabha was a small body of selected village elders and Samiti was a large assembly that was responsible for the policy making. Okay? The power of the king increased later Vedic period. They performed Rajasuya and Ashwamedh Yajnas or sacrifice. The Rajasuya sacrifice was performed by king to gain supreme power and the Ashwamedh was declaring his power over vast territory. The increase in the power of the kings resulted in decrease the power of the Sabha and Samiti. Okay, see in this, the many tribes leaded by Rajans, each jana many villages gramas, each grama many families, leader of each grama was Gramani, village headman. Okay dear student, this is all about the first part of Iron Age civilization. I hope you understand. So here, the assignment question on today's topic. Dear student, you should write these questions answer properly in your notebook. Okay dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for watching this online video and thank you for making me a part of the. Have a nice day ahead.